Welcome back to Feature Car Update. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most underrated yet iconic workhorses of the early 90s, the 1992 Mazda Pickup. This compact truck might not scream power at first glance, but beneath its simple design lies a story of durability, reliability, and timeless appeal that still catches the attention of classic truck enthusiasts today. So sit back and get ready, because this is not just a pickup, it's a hidden gem from an era when simplicity ruled the roads. The 1992 Mazda Pickup, often known as the Mazda B-Series, represents a time when trucks were built to work hard without the flashy tech or oversized bodies we see in modern models. Back in the early 90s, Mazda had perfected the art of making a truck that could handle tough jobs while still being affordable and easy to maintain. What's more interesting is that this pickup wasn't just a Mazda creation, it shared engineering DNA with Ford, as Mazda and Ford collaborated closely during that time. In the US, it was even sold under a different badge as the Ford Courier or Ranger, depending on the market. But for those who knew, the Mazda version had its own unique charm. Under the hood, the 1992 Mazda Pickup offered a range of engines that prioritized reliability over raw horsepower. The base models often came with a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing out around 85 to 100 horsepower. It might not sound impressive by today's standards, but it was enough to get the job done, whether hauling loads, cruising through the countryside, or tackling dirt trails. There was also an optional V6 engine available for those who wanted extra muscle. What made this truck special wasn't its speed, but how smoothly it performed day after day, year after year. It was the kind of vehicle you could trust to start every morning, no matter the weather or how much you pushed it. The transmission options were just as classic, a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic. The manual version, in particular, gave drivers that raw, connected feel that's rare today. You could feel every gear shift, every rev, every vibration of the engine. It reminded you that you were driving a machine built for purpose, not just convenience. And that's something car enthusiasts miss, that mechanical honesty. When it comes to design, the 1992 Mazda Pickup is a perfect reflection of the early 90s automotive simplicity. The exterior featured a boxy, tough silhouette with clean lines, a small chrome grille, and round halogen headlights that gave it an honest, rugged look. No unnecessary curves, no fancy trims, just a straightforward truck design that said, "I'm here to work." The bed was spacious enough for hauling construction gear, tools, or even weekend adventure equipment. Many owners still use these trucks today because of how well the body holds up over time, a true sign of Mazda's solid engineering. Inside, the cabin was minimal but comfortable. You'd find durable fabric seats, a simple dashboard layout, and easy-to-read gauges. No digital screens, no touch buttons, just analog controls that were built to last. Everything had a purpose, and everything worked. That's the secret charm of the 1992 Mazda Pickup, it didn't try to impress with unnecessary luxury. Instead, it focused on being practical, dependable, and honest. Another secret that made this truck stand out was its incredible fuel efficiency for its class. With its lightweight frame and efficient engine, the Mazda Pickup could easily achieve impressive mileage compared to other trucks of its time. That made it not just a tool for work but also a smart choice for everyday driving. Whether you were delivering goods, commuting to